Hi, do you want to grow your business on your Shopify store? Open up more channels to acquire new customers? Grow revenues with retargeting and retention? Then Engati is the one name to add to your business toolkit. Acquire more customers from Facebook and Instagram by automating lead generation and customer engagement. Engati works for you even when you are asleep, intelligently. Losing a lot of customers to drop-offs? Engati can push notifications for abandoned carts and also retarget using promos and discounts. Say goodbye to being flooded with, "Where is my order?" with Engati's conversation automation built right into Shopify. What's more? Reactivate and engage with existing customers with service, support and feedback automation from Engati. Come experience the magic of Engati with the latest in AI and conversational automation, built for you, built for Shopify. For under $100, give your business wings. You and your business deserve it. Engati, the best for omni-channel one-view automated customer acquisition.